Hey, how's it going? So this is my 2002 Mustang GT, and one of the things that I never really was a fan of was this giant antenna. It's probably like 2 feet tall. Now it's good for, maybe good radio reception, but there are some drawbacks to it. One would be it's kind of risky going through certain car washes with this because they could get broken off. Or if you ever want to put a car cover on here or tarp it or anything like that, you always got to take this antenna off all the time. And so that gets in the way and that gets old. So on Amazon, I came across a 3-inch stubby antenna, and I thought this was pretty cool. It's actually billet aluminum, so really sturdy, and it's black powder coated, so a very durable finish. So this should last a really long time, and it's actually super easy to install. So you really don't need no tools unless this is on there kind of tight, then just get a little wrench. But mine, I can unscrew it by hand like that. So I got that one off. Then we'll just take the stubby, put it in the same spot, give it a few turns, and just get it snug. And there you go. So it matches up really nice with the antenna base on the car, so it almost looks like it's a factory option. Now, another cool thing I like about having a stubby antenna is I can put a car cover on my car when I'm storing it, or let's say you had a car outside, you want to put a tarp over it because some bad weather was just going to come in for a minute, so with this on there, it makes it a lot easier to do something like that. Now, one question you're probably wondering is how's the radio reception? And I'll admit it's not as good as this one, but under normal, driving around town out of like 6 stations, I may have, 1 or 2 that are not as crisp and clear as having this on it. And if I'm further away town, then I'll probably lose one altogether. But that's not as big of a deal to me because I tend to use a Bluetooth adapter and stream Amazon Music off my phone. So that's actually kind of cool. So this, if you have a Bluetooth adapter in your car, it'll work just fine with this antenna. So I think that's a cool option. So let me put the car cover on here real quick and I'll show you what it looks like with a car cover. Okay, so I've got the car cover on and you can hardly tell that there's an antenna under here, and it's actually right about here. So the car cover fits on here just fine with having a short antenna on there. But you would never be able to do that having a giant 2-foot antenna stuck in your car like that. So I think that's kind of cool being able to cover your car like that. So if you're looking for a replacement to your factory antenna and want something more small, compact, and durable, then take a look at the 3-inch stubby antenna.